Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch GTX and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the MOBVOI application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, tap on the devices icon and here find the settings icon and tap on it. Now find the unbind button and select it. Then tap on confirm to unpair the watch. If you see this pop up, you can tap on set it up now. It will redirect you to the settings, or you can tap on disconnect it and skip this. I'm just gonna skip this, close the app, and now we're gonna open the settings. Tap on Bluetooth and here find the TicWatch GTX. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device and tap on forget device to remove it. And once you're done, you can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.